Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Sheynice and today I'm going to be showing you how to make conch soup. So conch is a tropical marine mollusk that's in the same family as clam, and today we're going to be using the conch meat and we're putting it in a very basic Jamaican soup. We're using the Grace soup mixes, pimento seeds, the ground provisions that we would normally use, like, chocho, yam, turnip, pumpkin, and those sorts of vegetables. And then of course to season the pot, we're going to be using scallion, thyme, and Scotch bonnet pepper. So if you want to know how to make this conch soup today, then please keep watching. The first step in this recipe is you're going to want to clean and tenderize the conch meat. It's not tough, so we're not going to need to pressure it, but it has been scalded to get out the impurities and the dirt and to cook it a little bit. I have a boiling pot already on the stove, so the first step is to take your chopped conch, put it in the pot with some pimento seeds. As always, the full recipe is going to be in the description box, so if you missed something along the way or something wasn't clear, then go ahead and check that out. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video and you enjoy other cooking related videos, because I do a lot of those. You can like the video if you enjoyed it, you can share with somebody. If you have time, then you can continue watching my videos and I will link one right here for you. So again, thank you so much for watching and I will catch you on my next video. Bye!